not a bird, and I'm not fucking woke. If you got a dong, and you're a sodding bloke. Fake tits and fanny, you're gonna make me sick. Dressing like a woman, but you still got a dick. Big hands, Adam's apple, lippy on who you trying to fool. Wanna be called Mo, but you still got a massive toe. You're more masculine than a firefighter, biting off the head of a snake. Makeup and a beard is just weird, such a massive mistake. On the social media whining and complaining, saying everybody's phobic when they mock. Then you're out there posting selfies of your silk thong bulging with a cock. Ooh. Big hands, Adam's apple, lippy on who you trying to fool. Wanna be called Mo, but you still got a massive toe. Pretending you don't like them young, you are really vile. Everybody knows you are a pedo who should be kept on file. Think you're a celebrity in those leather boots knee high. Nobody gives a fuck. Your entire life is a pathetic lie. Big hands, Adam's apple, lippy on who you trying to fool. Wanna be called Mo, but you still got a massive toe.